What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I am going to be printing some shirts for one of the local artists. He's got an event that he's going to, and he's getting 50 shirts printed, half of them on black shirts and half of them on white shirts. And this is going to be my first time using metallic ink. So if you guys are interested to see how everything turns out, just stay tuned. Alright, here's the design. I think it's too small, but it's printed out, and my printer is doing this thing again. I don't know what the deal is with it, but I just had these issues and I thought they were over. But yeah, I'm having the same issues again. So I'm gonna measure this and see if it's a decent size. And if it is, I'm gonna go ahead and print it. And if it's not, then I'm gonna have to reprint it out again. Alright, I decided to go ahead and print this design out again, but this time I'm printing it out as big as I can get it onto this 11 by 17 transparency film, because I think, I just think that'll be better than doing it the other way. I'm gonna grab the other one and I can compare them right quick. Okay, here's this one. Still having a few issues at the top right here. Don't know what's going on with the printer. Maybe because it's cold. But yeah, this is gonna be pretty big on there now. Yeah, so I think this one is going to be a lot better. I'm not even going to worry about comparing them because this one I think is going to be the right size. So we're going to go ahead over here and I'm going to go into the darkroom and burn this screen and then head to the washout booth. Alright, while this screen is exposing, I'm going to go ahead and get everything in order and make sure I have the right count for the t-shirts, because once this screen is done, I have to take it to the washout booth and then I have to let the screen dry. So I'm going to go ahead and count the shirts right quick. Altogether it's 50 shirts. So as you see on my list, well, y'all probably can't see that, but I'm supposed to have 6 of each size and 1 of each color in 2X. So altogether, I'll have 50 shirts. Okay, I've counted out all the shirts and I have the correct amount. I keep black shirts and white shirts inside of there in stock. So I ordered basically just enough, but I ordered an extra 2X because I didn't want to just order a bunch of excess shirts when I have a pretty good amount in stock. I possibly had the white ones in stock that would have fulfilled the order, but yeah. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, once the screen finished burning, it's a few more minutes on it, I'm gonna go ahead and print the white shirts first and then I'll print the black shirts second. And the reason I'm doing it that way instead of doing, I like to print all the smalls first, but because the black is gonna need an extra coat, I said I could run through the white ones real quick and then print the black ones. So as soon as the screen gets dry, it's actually still in there drying, then I'll go ahead and get to that part. Alright, the timer is going off. Let me go ahead. It actually stopped on its own. I put some books on here just to hold the place for me. So alright, have this, and I usually use my spray bottle right here to spray both sides. Alright, I got these black shirts right here. I'm gonna put them to the side. And then I have the white shirts right here, which is what I'm going to print first, right after I do my test print. So I got everything set up right here to do my test print. All I have to do is get the ink, and let me see. Here's the ink right here. I'm gonna mix it up as well as I can. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can check out the bling bling, because this is some bling and ink right here. This is some bling bling right here. Y'all see that? This is like some 14 karat yellow gold. I'm telling you, I usually prefer white gold, but you know, gotta go what the customers say. Yep. And now this, I'm using a 110 mesh screen for this, but it does call for an 86 mesh screen. So yeah, I'm hoping everything's gonna work out. Hoping everything's going to work out. Put a little bit more on here, and swoop. This is the only squeegee I got ready to go. So yeah, this is gonna be the one I have to use. All right, I'm about to do that first test print. You know, zoom in a little bit so you guys can check the bling blinging. Let you check this bling blinging out right here. Hopefully everything will come out well with it. Yeah, so it's coming out. That 110 mesh is gonna be fine. The 110 mesh is gonna be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these white ones printed, then get these black ones printed. I was thinking I was going to need 2 layers, but I only needed 1. So there is the design. I might could get by with one coat. On black too. This is actually one coat. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the one coat because I think it's fine. This battery is telling me that it's low, and I haven't even filmed but 6 videos today. Let me switch this out. Nah, I'ma save the rest of them because I'm about to go live in a couple of minutes. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Before I do that, I'm gonna let y'all check this out. Make sure y'all get a good view. But yeah, here's the black and gold. Here's the white and gold. Yeah, I think the black and gold look a whole lot better than that white and gold, but you know, that's what the customer wanted. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video or found it helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you are interested in joining the print squad or purchasing some of the items that I use to screen print with, check down below in the description box, and I always leave links for you guys. And I will see you in the next video, Print Squad out.